This quick video tutorial is about how you can add your name to your lock screen on your iPhone. Here you can see right down below like that. How to do it easily and quickly without any app. Let me teach you. Pull down from the top right corner to go to the control center. Here you can see focus mode. Too many options. Here below at last plus icon with new focus. Tap on it. Tap on custom. Here you have to type your name. So I am going to type Thegsmsolution. Always remember, focus is used to manage your notifications. You can also choose any icon. That icon will appear right next to your name. Choose the desired color. Tap on Next. Tap on Customize Focus. Now it's all done. Exit all settings. Pull down below the control center. Tap and hold focus. Tap on the name that focus you created. Lock your iPhone screen. Below you can see the name on the lock screen. Try yours, that is so easy. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hi, it's me Akash signing out.